I will show you how to make a pattern that looks like this. It's like little flowers right here. What I'm doing from here, I'm making the flowers, then turning the work to the other side. Here I'm making single crochet, and then again to this side I'm making flowers. So let's do this together. I made here flowers, so at the very end I will chain one, turn the work to the other side right here, and now we will make 18 single crochet. This means we will make 16 single crochet and then 2 single crochet in one stitch, in total 18 single crochet. Let's do this together. One right here, the first one, 2, 3. You can see I'm making a hole in every hole, just like this, right here, then right here, right here. Simple regular single crochet in every stitch. One of them are bigger, one of them are smaller, but still making single crochet like this, right here, right here. So 16 single crochet. How many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So 16 single crochet. Now 2 single to the last stitch right here. We will make 2 single crochet in one stitch, the first one, the second one also in the same stitch. So at the beginning we chained one, then we made 16 single crochet and then 2 single crochet in one stitch. So in total 18 single crochet. At the end we will chain 2. 1, 2, and we will turn the work to the other side. And this is actually the good side of the project. You can also use, of course, this side. It has a little bit different pattern there, but the flowers are more visible right here. So we have a chain of 2, and now we will start making flowers. Every time we will make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 flowers, and then double crochet at the very end. So this is a chain of 2. We will have to make 5 more loops on the hook. So this is the chain that we made, and we are making the first chain right here. Put the hook through, grab the wool, the yarn, and make a loop. Then to this stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. To the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we made 1 2 3 4 5 loops. With the first one it's 6. Now grab the yarn and pull it through all 6 loops like this, and chain 1. So this is our first flower. What we will do next, put the hook right here in the middle. 1, then to the last leaf that we made, to the last stitch, 2, and now right here, 3. Now to the next stitch, 4 and 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it through like this, and then chain 1. So we have 2 flowers. Let's make it again. The first one right here, 1, then right here to the last leaf, right here, then right here, 1 2 3, 2 more to go, and then further 1 and 2. So 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through, and chain 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 nice flowers. Let's do it together one more time. Right here, pull it through. I'm calling these leaves, like, so we're putting the hook right here on the last leaf, then right here in the same loop that we made the flower before, and then 2 next stitches, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops, pull it through all 6 loops and chain 1. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, 4 more to go. So stop the video right now and continue working, making 4 more flowers. Now we will be making the last flowers, so let's do it together. The first loop right here, then to the last leaf, then to the same stitch as last leaf, and 2 more stitches, so right here and to the last stitch right here. So 6 loops on the hook, pull it through and chain 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers, and now for the very end we will make 1 double crochet. Yarn over in the same loop that we just did the last leaf, just like this, 1 double crochet, and the pattern is just perfect.